Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can search defects in Jira and do bulk changes to the defects. So to search defects, it's pretty straightforward. Same functionality that you use to search any type of issue. You just need to select the type, different type for bug. So to search an issue, go to Issues drop down, click on Search for Issues, and then it will list all the issue types in Jira for all the projects. So you need to select the project for which you want to find the defects and just select the type as bug. And will list all the bugs in all the statuses for that project. If you want to filter out more, then you select more filters from the basic search. In order to do bulk changes, just go to the tools at the top and click on bulk change all 7 issues, and you'll see that same wizard that we have seen previously. So if you want to change all of the issues, select all, or you can select some for which you want to make changes, or select all and then click next, and you'll get all the options, all the bulk or change option that you can do on the issues. Thank you.